Do you like to reach for fresh homegrown vegetables when you cook? It's time to get gardening. But do those itty-bitty seeds in paper packets really get good results? We're turning to an expert for the answer. Take a look.
Hello, I'm Jerry Goodspeed from the Utah State University Botanical Center here. And one of the questions we always get in the early spring is, how do we plant those puny little carrot seeds or onion seeds and get them to germinate? Well, one of the tricks that we have found is we'll make a very shallow row for them, and then sometimes we'll put them in a salt shaker, or we'll put them just very carefully in the palm of your hand. We'll take them out and we'll just very lightly throw them in the row, and then we cover them with, instead of soil, just some potting soil. Very light, covers them up, and they can push through that really nice. They'll start to grow. Just make sure you're watering them regularly, and once they're up and established, water them deep.